my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you guys once again. It's a get ready with me video, hair and makeup, because it's my birthday. Yay! Remember to give me love on this video, share with friends and family. Let's dive into today's video. Okay, the first thing I'm doing right now, I'm moisturizing my face. After moisturizing, I primed my face. My face is being primed right now. Then I'm drawing my brows. Exclusive, I'm giving you guys how I draw my eyebrow. Fill it in slightly, gently, and brush it out. Oh wow, look at my eyebrows popping. And now moving on to my eyeshadow. So the color that pops up by your left, which is my right in the video, that's the color I'm using right now for the top crease. And I'm going in with this orange just to give it some kind of flare, like a fire. Remember to blend in, blend in, blend in. Blend it in very well. I don't want sharp edge, I don't want sharp lines, so I'm blending in every corner, every end of the eyeshadow. Then I'm going in with this brown. Then right now I'm just using my eye primer just to prime my eye and cut crease. Let's just a bit. It's my birthday and I'm celebrating a 20-something birthday. Yeah. If you can guess right, just guess right and tell me, send me a message, guess right, and you might just be the lucky person to win a cosmetic from me. I'm so excited and happy to share this video with you guys. Full details about how my birthday shoot went on. I don't really like talking too much when I'm doing my makeup. Okay, right now I'm going in with this purple. Wow. Is this purple or burgundy? I think it's burgundy. So I'm going in with this burgundy right now. Then I'm going in with this color. Like I said, every color that I'm using at a particular time, I'm just going to display it at the left hand corner so you can know which color I'm using right now. Hope you guys like that new effect. So I was saying something the other time, when I'm doing my makeup, I like to give a full concentration. I'm working on doing more video, doing more makeup video and actually talking so I can explain, working towards that. But right now I love doing my makeup without talking. When I talk, I just get carried away. I'm done. Are you guys seeing the beauty? Yes, because I'm seeing the beauty already. Yes, I just finished my eyelashes. I'm using a natural eyelashes here, so it looks like my own kind of lashes. So natural. I love this lash. I got it from a friend. She sells lashes. I'll drop her link. Then right now I'm going in with my foundation. Yes, it's my favorite foundation to use, which is FitMe Foundation. That's FitMe Foundation right now. You can get it from drugstores, you can get it online, you can get it even from the store. FitMe, Maybelline FitMe Foundation. My shade is shade 340. So right now I'm highlighting my face and I am using Elegant Pro Concealer. Just make sure you press it in gently. You don't want harsh line, you don't want cracked place, you don't want your hands to leave print. So just go in gently. Just highlighted area only. Your highlighted area are your under eye, your T-zone, your jaw, and your nose bridge, which is still your T-zone. Take your time, be careful. I'm just so excited right now. I can't wait to see the finished look. Hope you guys are anticipating to see the finished look also. Okay, this is not the finished look, but I've used my powder, my blusher, my highlighter, and right now I'm setting my face right now. Okay guys, so I want to go and change my clothes, and when I come back I'm going to do my lip. Wow, this look is gorgeous. Wow. Just head on to my Instagram handle YEWIZZY__ to see the full video of my photo shoot. Till I come here guys again, bye. I love you guys.